Okay, so let's talk about paying off debt and increasing your credit score. So several years ago, I was really sick and I had to have 2 surgeries, and I hardly worked over about a year-long time period. And I was using credit cards a lot to live and pay for things, and accumulated almost $30,000 of credit card debt. And my credit score dropped to about 697. Not awful, but not where I wanted it to be. Now my credit score is, last time I checked, it was 823, and I'm gonna tell you exactly what I did to get rid of that debt in about 9 months and increase my credit score. So the first thing you wanna do is you wanna list out, whether you're good at Excel or write it down with good old-fashioned pen and paper, write out all of your debts. So you wanna list the name of that debt, the balance, the interest rate, and the credit limit. So then what you want to do is you want to start with the highest interest debt, whether that's a car payment or credit card, whatever it may be. You want to pay minimum on your other debts, but you want to put as much as you possibly can on that highest interest rate one and get that paid off, and then move on to the next. There's a lot of financial gurus out there. You can Google and look up the snowball effect to find out all of the details about that. But once you pay off the one, move to the next one. Now, if you're really disciplined and you have decent credit, there are a lot of credit cards out there that will do like a 0 interest for maybe 9 months, 12 months, something like that. You can transfer balances to a 0 interest card, but the thing is, and you're gonna pay usually I think a 2.5% or 3% transfer fee, but it's better than a 15 or 20 or even 25% interest rate on that card. The thing is, you have to be super disciplined with this. Like, if you're gonna transfer something, you cannot use that other card. So while you're doing this too, do not use your credit cards. Stop using them for anything. If you have to use something in an emergency, look at some of my other videos that talk about an emergency fund. So you want to cut those cards up, put them in a drawer if you're disciplined not to use them. But the most important thing is, do not close the account. Do not close the account. It will negatively affect your credit score. Just don't use them. If you can get them down to at least 10 to 30% of the credit limit, that's the sweet spot. Do go over that 30%. So I hope that's very helpful. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out and check out some of the other videos that I've made about how to save money so you can pay down that debt quicker. Thanks and have a great day.